How to fix edit message not showing on Messenger. In this video, I will show you how to fix edit message not showing on Messenger. First, open or launch the Messenger mobile application. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app. Normally, you want to open the inbox of a person. After that, you have to long press on the message you want to edit. Normally, the 8 option appears here, but if yours is not appearing, then don't worry. You have to tap on this other option here named More. After that, you will get this other menu where you will see the edit option just like mine here. If yours does not appear here also, then I will show how you can solve this issue. Exit the inbox and tap on the menu option. It is this option here with the hamburger symbol. A side panel with several options will appear as you can see here. From the options, tap on the settings. It has a gear icon. Here it is, tap on it. This is the settings page of Messenger where you will see all these different options that you can use to make changes to the settings of your account. Scroll down, continue scrolling until you reach this section of the page. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Report Technical Problem. A menu with options appears as you can see. From the options, tap on this one here named Report Anyway. After that, this other menu appears. From the menu, tap on this other option named Don't Include. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on the feedback inbox of Messenger where you are supposed to type a short message explaining the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them very clearly. After that, end them the message and give them time. They will reply to you with a solution. Finally, exit the app and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Messenger and check if the app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the newest plus missing features on the app. It also fixes bugs that may be making the app not to work well. That is how to fix edit message not showing on Messenger.